I can confidently tell you today we have streamlined the sugar sector, which had big problems. Unfortunately for the people in that sector who are taken hostage, the sugar sector, I had been Minister for Agriculture, so I knew where the problem was. So we've sorted it out, and in a space where sugarcane farmers, they were taking their produce, they wait for 6 months, maybe sometimes 1 year. And I'm sure if you have sugarcane farmers here or at home, they will tell you. Finally, there was no money. I had to look for money from government to go and pay farmers, to go and pay workers in sugar factories. And I told them that that was not going to go on. It's not going to be business as usual. If you heard that I made a phrase called Mambo ni matatu, it was because of sugar. And I went and told those crooked people there, you have to get out of this space, because it was not going to be business as usual. So what has happened in that space? Because of the interventions we have made, production in the sugar sector has moved from 495, almost 500,000 metric tons in 2022. This year, we were at 815,000 metric tons. From 50 billion shillings every year to now 90 billion. And today I can confidently tell you, Mumias, which could not pay workers, which could not pay farmers, which could not pay taxes. Today, Mumias pays farmers every 7 days. Pays their workers every month. This year in January, we went to pay dividends to sugarcane farmers for the first time in the history of Kenya. I am not talking about what's going to happen. I'm talking about what happened.